glucagon secreted is stimulated by a low blood sugar level and rises the blood sugar level. So glucagon, alpha cells, it rises the blood sugar levels. So glucagon, blood sugar levels are being rise. It converts in storage glycogen from the liver or muscles into glucose. The action of insulin and glucagon can be summarized by the following. So there's glucose. After a meal, the glucose levels are high. So insulin converted to glycogen. And then glycogen, if you need glucose again, glycogen is converted by glucagon to glucose. Now you can see and you can hear that my tongue is stuck with glucose, glycogen and glucagon. So imagine now when we are marking, we see that children get also confused about glucose, glycogen. Sometimes glycogen is the hormone and glycagon is the form in which they store in the liver. So make certain glucose is an energy source. It's an energy source. It is sugar, reduced sugar. Alright? And glycogen is the form in which glucose is stored in the liver. And glycagon is the one that takes this glycogen and they take it they transfer it to glucose. So very important. And every time, maybe we thought it's an easy question, but every time when we ask this type of question, then the learners get stuck because we ask what hormone is responsible to rise the blood sugar levels, then you write insulin or what else. So make certain that you know glucagon secreted is stimulated by a low blood sugar. So it rises the blood sugar. It's stimulated when the blood sugar is low because you needed sugar. So it rises the sugar levels. So glucose is the energy that's in the blood. Then it's transferred to glycogen by insulin and it's converted back to glucose by glycagon. So I can imagine that I'm talking, some of you think I'm talking in circles now, but look at this diagram. Remember, glucose is on the left. Insulin converts it to glycogen. Glycogen is converted back to glucose by glycagon. So remember of this diagram and then you will remember this. So this glycogen is stored in the liver. Insulin is secreted by beta cells. Glucagon is secreted by alpha cells in the pancreas. And later on we will see that this is the important negative feedback mechanism that you must know and that you must understand. And then if you understand it, you will learn it. So remember now. Remember these two hormones and these two words, glucose and glycogen. The form in which we store glucose in animal tissues. Alright. Now reproductive glands, I think you did it when you did human reproduction, but we can go over it quickly. Now in men, the testes secreted testosterone. The testes, testosterone, T for testes, testosterone. So I think you can make an association there. And remember, testes, testosterone. And women, the ovaries are the gonads that are located in the pelvis region. And estrogen is one of the ovarium secreted the hormone estrogen. So this is important, and I think they will ask it in human reproduction or underneath human reproduction, developing of girls into mature individuals, progesterone, implantation of the fertilized egg into the wall of the uterus and ensure it stays in position for the entire period of pregnancy. So progesterone There's the uterus. It helps the uterus for implantation of the fertilized egg. The testes, developing and function of the male reproductive system. So testosterone, it's that deep voice of men, more body hair, etc. All the secondary characteristics of men. Alright. And the hormone testosterone is secreted at the testes. So I think that is straightforward, and you learn that with the human reproductive system also.